The daily silent conversation we have with ourselves is a remarkable phenomenon that often goes unnoticed but shapes the very fabric of our existence. This powerful force has the ability to shape our reality, creating a path to our dreams or becoming an impediment to our progress. How do you address yourself? Are your thoughts and words nourishing and empowering, or do they keep? You are incarcerated in the prison of self-doubt and negativity. Our inner dialogue, you see, is like a whispering oracle echoing in the depths of our consciousness, and it has a direct influence on our emotions, actions, and the outcomes we attract into our lives. How does your inner dialogue influence your reality? Inner dialogue is the continuous stream of thoughts and conversations that unfold in our minds, narrating our acceptions, beliefs, and interpretations of the world around us, and, perhaps most importantly, our own selves. Consider it a symphony of words, with some melodious and uplifting and others discordant and demoralizing. This self-talk is fascinating in shaping. Our reality is similar to that of a skilled artist. We use our inner dialogue to paint portraits of joy, sorrow, triumph, or defeat on the canvas of our lives. It's a close dance between the conscious and subconscious minds, with each thought having the potential to become a brushstroke on the canvas of our lives. In this situation, positive self-talk would be, I did it. I am capable of accomplishing anything I set my mind to. This upbeat inner dialogue celebrates victory and strengthens one's belief in one's own abilities. Consider a setback or failure, on the other hand. Possibility of negative self-talk. I failed. This critical inner dialogue always messes things up, exacerbating feelings of disappointment and reinforcing limiting beliefs. Not to worry, because with awareness and practice, we can turn the negative into the positive and the dark into the light. We have the ability to choose the words we say to ourselves, which influence our thoughts, feelings, actions, and outcomes. Our needs, perceptions, and beliefs are all shaped by our thoughts. Positive self-talk cultivates constructive beliefs, which leads to an optimistic worldview. Negative self-talk, on the other hand, breeds doubt and pessimism. Feelings are the colors that we use to paint the picture of our emotions. Positive self-talk ignites a rainbow of emotions. Love, joy, and gratitude fill the canvas, while negative self-talk fills it with darker hues of fear, sadness, and rage. Actions are the brushstrokes that paint our experiences, our inner dialogue, and foster confidence and determination. So we take bold steps toward our goals, but when self-talk fosters self-doubt, it prevents us from fully realizing our true potential, as the culmination of thoughts, feelings, and actions results in the artwork that adorns our reality. Positive self-talk aligns us with success and abundance, whereas negative self-talk weaves us with failure and scarcity. A story about failure and scarcity, the profundity of inner dialogue has been explored by spirituality as well as philosophy. Its enigmas, numerous psychological and neuroscience studies have shed light on the profound impact of self-talk on human behavior and well-being. According to research, people who use positive self-talk have lower stress levels, higher self-esteem, and better overall psychological well-being. Furthermore, those who adopt a growth mindset through affirming self-talk demonstrate greater resilience in the face of adversity. The scientific evidence emphasizes the importance of inner dialogue in shaping our realities, both internally and externally. Before we get into the strategies, let's first understand the essence of our internal dialogue. Our minds are vast landscapes where ideas bloom and cascade like a river or a brushstroke on a canvas. Each thought paints a picture of our lives, but not all brushstrokes are equal. Make a work of art. We frequently unconsciously engage in negative self-talk patterns, having doubts about our worth, abilities, and potential. The first step toward progress is raising awareness. Observe your thoughts objectively. Take note of how certain thoughts make you feel powerful, anxious, or disheartened. Self-compassion is the foundation for change practice. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to your best friend. When confronted with self-criticism, take a breather and ask yourself, would I say this to someone I care about? In times of difficulty, reframe the thought with gentle and encouraging words. Remember to be kind to yourself. Replay your harsh judgments with loving acceptance, and you'll notice an increase in inner peace. Positive affirmations are used to incorporate positive affirmations into your daily routine. Choose words that are meaningful to you and repeat them with conviction. I am deserving of love and success. I am capable of realizing my ambitions. In your life, visualization, the SE affirmations become the seeds that sprout abundance. Engage in vivid visualization to manifest your desires. Make a mental movie of your dream and embrace the emotions and sensations of success. Allow feelings of joy and fulfillment to wash over you as you visualize your dreams. Your visions will be realized as the universe aligns with them. Mindful breathing uses the power of the breath to help you center yourself during difficult times. To calm the turbulence within, practice mindful breathing. Deeply inhale, and with each exhalation, let go of negativity. You will gain clarity and strength. The positive inner dialogue ripple effect. Embracing a positive inner dialogue transforms your thoughts and spreads throughout your life. With increased self-belief, you'll notice a ripple effect in your relationships, career, and overall well-being. You'll pursue your passions with zeal and open doors to new opportunities. Positive energy attracts like-minded souls, which strengthens your relationships with others. The path to improved inner dialogue is illuminating. It has its difficulties. Negative thoughts and patterns may resurface. However, do not be discouraged when confronted with doubt. Remember that your thoughts do not define you. They pass like clouds. Developing a positive inner dialogue takes time and effort. It is a lifelong practice that changes with the passage of time. On this journey, be gentle with yourself. Inner transformation takes time, just as Rome was not built in a day. Embrace the fact that you are the architect of your life, and your thoughts are the building blocks of your reality. Accept this truth with open arms because it holds the key to realizing your limitless potential. By cultivating a positive and empowering inner dialogue, you unleash a force that propels you toward your heart's desires. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each of you, and to each and every one of you for joining me on this profound journey of self-discovery. Your presence and commitment to personal growth inspire me, and I hope that together we can create a positive ripple effect that reaches every corner of the globe. From another country,